Yeah, I was hoping to get a 36. On the practice test I had taken before that, I was scoring in like the 34 range, and I was hoping that I could make like the final push to a 36. So when I got the score, I was surprised and happy, yeah. So I took the ACT course at Excel, and I feel like the course helped me in terms of it taught me like actual strategies on how to answer questions instead of just formulas. And so for actual studying for it, most of the time went into like taking practice tests and then going over like each question to figure out like where it had gone wrong and then like working to fix that. So I think in total I probably took like 6 to 7 practice tests. Yeah, I feel like the instructors were really helpful and like engaging during class because, like I mentioned before, they focused a lot on strategies rather than just formulas or like how questions are structured, like how to actually answer those questions and how to analyze them. So I think that was really helpful. I'd like to go into like biotech probably, something along those lines, yeah. I really like biology, but I don't really want to become a doctor. And I feel like biotech is cool because it's a way to come up with things that are like devices that are actually useful for like everyday people. So yeah. Not really. I probably just want to get into like a UC, like UCLA or something, because I feel like they have a good bio program, which would like suit my interest in biotech. I play the clarinet in band, and then I also do like science Olympiad and debate. Honestly, I'd say just do a lot of practice tests and study consistently, like maybe like a practice test a week, and then like go through like each and every question and figure out like what went right or what went wrong. And I feel like that's really helpful.